coming on just to apologise. I know it's been so long since my last upload, and I really do apologise. If you don't know already, I work for the NHS and things are so bad at the moment that I'm working so many extra hours. So I apologise that I've just not had the time, or to be honest, the energy to actually film a video for you. But this is going to be a really quick one, and I do have some sad news. As you know, that I've been a design team member for Alina Crafts now for about, I think it's about 6 months. So this is going to be my last design team package for Alina, and it breaks my heart really, because I've loved working with her for the last few months, and her products are simply fabulous for really and they're really inexpensive. So I've just sort of said to Alina that it's not fair on her that I can't commit as much time as I'd really want to for her. So yeah, this is going to be my last design team package. I haven't made any samples with these products as yet, but hopefully in the not too distant future I'll be able to do a project with you. I will continue to use her products in my videos and list them as long as they are still available in the description box below. So I'm just going to show you the products that I received in my last design team package for Alina. As you can see, my nails are disgusting because I've just not had any time for myself, let alone, you know, anybody else. So yeah, without further ado and enough of my ramble, I shall crack on. Now first off, we have some gorgeous washi tapes in Alina's shop right now. They are, I can't get in the box, there we go. And these are simply beautiful. See if I can grab one out. I love this text and a sort of vintage style of washi tape. So I'll just bring that up to the camera for you. Hopefully it'll focus and you can see the design on it. I absolutely adore that, and it is quite sticky. If you were sticking it to a project, I would recommend using a bit of extra, perhaps a glue dot or a bit of extra glue, but they should press down and stay down as long as you press it down fairly firmly. And then we've got a coffee bean here. We've got, what's on it? Oh, some stamps and stickers. We've got months. Can't know if you can see that. So you've got months of the year on that one, and numbers. So you could have like January the 15th. That's the date today. And there's another wide one with what's on here? Oh, these are oh, the different plants: wormwood, yarrow, tansy, clover. Yeah, there's all sorts on here, and I really think they are super pretty. If you're into art journaling or junk journaling, these are going to be absolutely perfect. So there's some clocks on that one, and some spots, but I think they're supposed to be moons, and some stars, moons and stars, and some Roman numerals. I just think they are absolutely beautiful. I'll sort them out in a minute. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, drop one. I've got another washi tapes. I asked Alina just to send me a couple of, I knew she was bringing out some washi tapes, and there's quite a lot. So I asked her just to pick a couple of random ones for me. So she sent me a Christmas themed washi tape collection, and there's 12 rolls in here, and they're all different. Oh, I love that stripe, that candy stripe one there. Some red, they're really traditional colours, and I really love these. Some gingerbread men on red tape there, absolutely stunning. This is quite unusual. You've got the red, green and gold, but it's on the black I think I've got a few ideas for these washi tape cards. I mean, if you're like me and you've got hundreds of rolls of washi tape and you don't use them, then washi tape cards, if you search cards made cards made using washi tape in YouTube, you'll get hundreds and hundreds. I absolutely adore these Christmas trees. I think they are absolutely beautiful. They're gorgeous, aren't they? And then you've got this spotty one there. Building a washi tape tower here. And then there's one that just says Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas, and it's got, let's open this one out because it's so beautiful. And you get loads on a roll. So the pattern doesn't actually repeat until there. So that is one lot of pattern and then it repeats. How cool is that? You could use them for wrapping your Christmas presents. I really love this set. I don't think I've got many Christmas themed washi tapes. I just love the foiling on it as well. It's foiled washi tape. And then you've got gingerbread man, Santa hat, Santa tree, holly, reindeer. Yeah, and then it repeats. I think, yeah, really good. Really well worth the money these are. I'm not sure how much they are, but if anything, like anything else Alina sells, you're not going to break the bank. Oh, look at that. Can you see the foil on that? Yeah. I really, really like those. Have a look. Oh, Christmas trees, foiled again. There's foil in every roll. Every roll has got foil in it. And then there's like shooting stars. I can't find the end. It's here somewhere. Here we go. Look. So pretty. Yeah. So, you know, you could do all kinds of things with these. You could create backgrounds with your washi tape. You know, you don't have to get all your Christmas papers out. Okay, next up I've got a Stampin Die Set. So if you've seen Alina's previous releases where she's got a stamp that is one solid panel and you print it out as a whole, stamp it out as a whole, ideally using a stamp platform, and then you get the coordinating die to cut all the sentiments out. I use mine quite often. The previous release I had, and you can see the video of that in my playlists for Alina's DT. Yeah, so, and there's lots of sentiments on here. So you've got Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Easter, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Father's Day, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Anniversary, Happy Halloween, Happy Birthday, Happy Wedding, To You, Welcome Baby, Happy St. Patrick's Day, Oh Happy Day, Just a Happy, and Happy Graduation. So you've got sentiments there for all occasions really. You don't have to, you know, you could stamp them out in lots of different colours, put them in a tub or a pot on your desk, and you've got a sentiment for pretty much everything. So yeah, I really like those. Okay, next up, I can't wait to use these. Next up we've got Santa dies. I know Christmas has already been and gone, but I tend to make my Christmas cards pretty early for the following year, and all these extra dies and things come in useful for, I mean, you could cut a load out, put them together, and then you've got embellishments ready for cards. So this is what they're going to look like. Hopefully the camera will pick it up. So you've got 4 different kinds of Santas here. Different styles of beard, different styles of hats. Some have got holly. Yeah, so I think they are going to be amazing. And I can't wait to glue them all together. I love cutting things out like that in different coloured cardstocks and gluing them together. So I shall be having fun with those. You could cut them out of white cardstock and then follow the pictures and use your alcohol pens or watercolour pens to colour the cardstock, and you could use them, make Christmas tree hangers for them as well. Some are going to be, oh no, they're not dimensional, but yeah, you could hang them on the tree by all means. You know, they don't just have to be for cards. There could be embellishments for tags, Christmas decorations, you name it. Next up, I've got this stamp. It's a gorgeous one. Let me just grab my ruler. The stamp is 14 centimetres. I'm presuming by 40, yeah, 14 centimetres by 14 centimetres. That's 5.5 inches in diameter, and I think that is fabulous. You could do lots of different heat techniques, ink blending, black ink onto an ink blended background, heat embossed, and then ink blend over the top to sort of resist, you know. And I think my crafty friend on Instagram, oh god, I can't remember her name, she's from Holland, and it's Cisvolk or something like that. Sorry about that, it's a Dutch name. So but yeah, she's got lots of samples that she's made with those. So I'll put a link to her Instagram in the description box below, so you can check her out and have a look for some inspiration regarding that stamp. But I will be using that myself at some point. I know she's also been using these triangles as well. So you've got these triangles. You could do all kinds. I've got all different patterns. You could cut them all out in the same pattern. When you make triangular boxes, you could use these to adorn the triangular boxes, and make fabulous cards. So again, check out her Instagram in the description box below, and she's got some fabulous cards that she's made using that die set. Next up, I just fancied this because it looks so cute. So you've got some macaroons, and they're tied up with a ribbon, and you also get a spare one here. So I thought about cutting them out 4 times out of different coloured cardstocks, and then sort of use pastel colours for the macaroons, and then another colour to sort of for the bow and the ribbon around. But I will do a demo with that die at some point, and you'll see how easy it is to put together. But brilliant, so pretty. And next up, I've got a circular sentiment die here, and also a scripted one here as well. So I love this circular one. I mean, you could cut it out and then snip away the circle if you wanted to. I mean, you don't have to have it in a circle, and then you've got 2 different styles anyway. And I know Alina has got wooden embellishments, the same as this as well, so check those out. I've used those in a card previously, but yeah, they will come in useful. I love that. It's a big die as well. Let's go for inches. It's approximately just under 3.5 inches wide, and then from it's going to be hard to measure the depth. It's 2.5 inches there. Yeah, 2.5 inches. So yeah, it's a good size die, that one, and that'll get a lot of use. Next up, I've got some a Christmas sentiment die set here. So you've got Season's Greetings, Merry Christmas, and I think that says Falala. You've got a Santa hat and with reindeer antlers on there as well. So it's very similar to the birthday one in size and script. So yeah, they'll get a lot of use for Christmas as well. And last but not least, I've got these tape pens. They're all different colours, but there's no difference in the tape. They're all the same tape. And I have used, let's got some scrap pieces of paper here. I like to keep my scraps. Like so. So let's go for this one. You just pull it off. It's got the ridged bit at the top here, so you know that's the top of the pen where to rest your finger. Smooth on the bottom, and you know to drag the tape like so and flip it to one side, and you get a strip of sticky tape. And let's put that down. I pressed that quite lightly so you could remove it, but then if you go and rub it quite firmly, it's not coming away without actually tearing the paper. So it is quite strong they've got quite strong pens, so I would use those for matting and layering thinner cardstocks so that the glue isn't visible through the cardstock, because sometimes you get that lumpy bumpy when you're using a thinner or a lighter weight cardstock. So a tape pen is perfect for that. Yeah, so I will be getting a lot of use out of those, and I will be ordering more off Alina at some point as well, because I do like to use tape pens. So that's it. Thanks for joining me today. Apologies again, but I'm sure you understand how life is at the moment. I can't be in two places at once. I wish I could. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Please share my videos with your friends if you think they'd enjoy these videos. That would be great. I would like to see my channel grow, and then I can add more content at a later date, and hopefully you know, deliver some videos that really interest you, not just haul videos or design team packages. So yeah, thanks for joining me again. Please hit subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you again soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.